This company uses hundreds of drones to create some incredible designs in the sky. This beverage cart started spinning out of control at the airport.
Gonna hit the airplane, here it goes.
The spinning was eventually stopped when a worker rammed another cart into it.
That's how you do it.
Here's a fuzzy bunny that almost doesn't look real. In case you didn't know, this is what ears look like on a raven. This little puppy fell asleep in about 2 seconds.
Buddy, we gotta put some back into it.
You're ridiculous, Bowser.
Oh, he fell asleep.
Oh, is he? I can't see.
A photographer filmed this airplane creating rainbow contrails in the sky.